Hello there. Today I'll talk about 4 effective solutions you can adopt if you need access to a Dahua camera and you can't seem to remember the password. The first one is to press a reset button. Whether you have a dome-shaped or bullet-type Dahua camera, reset buttons are usually obscured, so get a screwdriver or Allen key and open up the camera to access the reset button inside. Unplug the power, and once you identify a small button inside, press it, and whilst you are still holding down the button, connect the camera to the power supply and count up to 10 seconds. If this fails, retry the process with a gradual increase of 5 more seconds, for example 15, 20, 25, etc. Eventually this should work and you hear click sound from the camera to confirm a successful reset. Subsequently, connect your camera to a computer, open config 2, check the uninitialized devices box, and the camera will instantly appear with its default IP address, which is usually 192.168.1.253. Initialize the camera and you're set to go. The second option, and this method is possible if one provided a backup email to the Dahua support the very first time the camera was activated. Firstly, from Google Play Store, download GDMS, or from the App Store, download DMSS or iDMSS to your phone. Connect your camera to your PC, open config 2 and get the device IP. Open a browser and punch the device IP address. From the Dahua login page, enter the username admin and select forgot password. Agree and check that the email you entered is the one Dahua will send to. Then leave the page open. Open the phone app you downloaded. Select the far right icon, Me, then password security. Then select reset device password. Point the phone to the PC screen and scan the QR code. Wait for the Dahua tech team to respond. Then from the email sent, copy the security code and paste it on the Dahua browser login page. You are then asked to create a new password, and after you complete that task, your camera is good to go. This same process can be done using the config 2 in place of the web browser page. You check the device box for the camera in config 2, select reset, and from the pop-up menu, scan the QR code like we did with the browser page, and everything else is the same. The third and a less laborious process than the previous one is to extract a .xml file of the camera, then sending it to Dahua tech support. This is not dependent on one having set up a recovery email for their camera during their first camera activation, but the camera will need to have been certified. Make sure your camera is powered on and is connected to a router directly or indirectly through your computer's Ethernet port. Check the device box for the camera in config 2. Select reset, and from the pop-up menu, select generate XML file. Choose the path to download the XML file to. Press next and then send the download file to the Dahua tech support team or a registered local supplier. Keep the camera powered on and connected to the internet till you get the modified XML file back from Dahua. Download the file, open config 2, select import file, locate the modified XML file, select next, create a new password, replicate it, and the device is ready for use. The fourth, a non-conventional but still very effective way is to open your Dahua camera so that you access the PCB. Look around on the PCB, you will find a pair of holes which clearly are between one of the tracks making up the circuit. These holes are separating a flow of electrons to a hard reset pin. So connect your camera to a 12 volts DC power and make sure it's not connected to a computer. You can use a POS switch as an alternative source of power. Then find a thin naked wire and insert it in the first hole, then out the other end, and into the next hole, then out the other end. Twist the ends of the naked wire together So that you establish continuity within that track, count up to 22 seconds, then disconnect the wire. Subsequently, connect your camera to a computer, open config 2, check the devices box, and the camera will instantly appear with its default IP address. Initialize the camera and just set to go. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help my channel grow. Till next time, friend.